You are always welcomed here. You wanna know why? Because today, I'm gonna show you how to make roasted mushroom and wild rice soup. It's delicious, it's amazing. So let's get started. We're gonna preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I've got a cookie sheet here lined with some parchment paper because I don't want to do a lot of work today. And then I've got about 300 grams of portobello and button mushrooms. And just put those down there. I've chopped them up into nice little pieces, as you can see. Big little portobello mushroom, good stuff. I also have one sweet potato and four cloves of garlic. All right, then I'm gonna sprinkle on about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Love it. Then I'm just gonna take my newly washed hands and massage the mushrooms and sweet potato and garlic cloves. Make sure everything gets incorporated. They're all mixing and loving each other. And before we do anything else, this is going to go into the oven for 30 minutes. All right, so it is time to move everything to the stove now that the mushrooms and the sweet potato and the garlic are ready to go. So what you're going to do is add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a frying pan. Let that heat up, and then you're going to add in your chopped onions. Once you realize you're making soup and not fried rice or something, change the pan. After sauteing the onions for a couple of minutes, about 3 to 5 minutes, then you're gonna add in some chopped carrots and saute that for an additional 5 minutes. Next, you're gonna add in your roasted mushrooms and sweet potato. Of course, I kept the garlic. I just smushed it and then added it right into the saucepan. Now here's where you get bougie. You're gonna add in about a 1/4 cup of red wine. And really, if you don't want to use the red wine, you can always use grape juice, for example. But if you are using the red wine, you're going to let that cook out for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then you're gonna add in your wild rice and your spices: cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, and black pepper. Mix that all together for a couple of seconds. Then you're gonna add in 6 cups of vegetable broth. Okay, then you're gonna let it come to a boil. Once it's doing that, turn it down to a very low temperature, cover it, and let it simmer for about 40 to 45 minutes. And my friends, once that's done, it's time to eat. The nutmeg and the cinnamon really warm up this soup, and it's already super delicious. You have to give this a try. It smells so good and it tastes even better. So when you do try this recipe out, let me know how it goes in the comments below. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.